Wala ba pearly? Hi guys.
Good morning. It's ano na, alas 3 na ng madaling araw. So may 4 na oras pa kami going to Ilocos Norte dito sa may Ibigan. Kasama namin si Amara, anak ko, anak namin, si ate niya, yung pamangkin ko, and si Kate, aka Inday, and me and my wife. Update na lang kami guys pagka nandun na kami. Siguro 7 or something like that, or ano, mga siguro 6:30
Right.
right? We will update you.
Bye.
So guys, dito na kami sa Bigan ni Ilocos Sur with the gangs. Hey Amara.
Mara, look at the camera. Say hi. Look, the horse. There's a lot of horse. Yum! French fries. What is that? What do you want? French fries or chicken? You eat chicken now. You tanggal this. You give it to dad. Let's go. So many horse. Day, tingin. Mara, look. Sulfur. Sulfur naman. We're here at Santa Catalina in Saldo del More Resort. We're going to swim. Nililipad yung ano ni Daddy. Breadcrumbs. Grabe ba? Mara, look at the camera. Mara, look.
Hi guys, we're going back to Church Cathedral here in Ibigan City. So, mag-take muna kami ng lunch. Time is 1:35 p.m. January 8, 2025.
Hi, horse. Are you poopy? Amara, are you poopoo? Yun na, kaya mo yan. Kapit ka lang. Uy, nagtal. Tapos mga dyan sa tayo. Hindi, wala. Hindi ko mabuksan yung pintana. Ay, naman. Kami kilikili. Tignan mo yung kilikili. Tawag mo. Uy, naman. Tsura. Ang sarap po.
Lah, nagtago siya. Sama-sama.
Where are you? I can't see you. Mara. Come, let's go. Here. Kasama sila ate.
Wala.
Wala.
As in, wala.
Konti lang. Nagpa-post siya eh. Hey, do not put your flashlight to me. Tagalin mo yung ipit niya. Woo! Super lamig. Mga model na model ng bench, Vogue, LV, Dior. Kaya ito yung mga to. Ang lakas ng alert. Oo. Oh, nagpa-pearly shirt. Nagpa-pearly shirt. Mukhang kaday.